Following on from the spiral loop beginning for bracelets, this is a quick demonstration for how to complete the loop to form a teardrop beginning. This is the loop you would do if you wanted to make a traditional style friendship bracelet work to chevrons. Alternately, you could do an inverse loop like this. You work the rest of this loop in two sections. First, I'm going to do the left hand side. So I want to take the colours in the order that I want them from left to right, and I want to work the first thread over the rest of the threads by working in a forward knot, going over the threads and then working in a forward knot, going under the threads. And I want to drop this thread and then take the next colour in my sequence and repeat. And then just keep doing this with each next colour in your sequence and then dropping the thread until you're down to one thread. And once you've done this side, you want to put this one out of the way, and taking your other section, you want to repeat the same process but just a mirror image. So this time I'm going to be working a backward knot over all the threads and then a backward knot underneath. And again, dropping this thread and taking the next colour in the sequence, I'm going to repeat these steps all the way down until I've just got one thread left. So once you've done both sections, you can take the threads that are now in the centre and you can knot these together to close your loop. So I'm just doing a forward knot, but you can knot it in any direction you want depending on the pattern that you're using and the colours of the threads. And you should end up with something that looks like this. And from here on you can continue your pattern according to whatever bracelet you are making.